respected chairman, co-chairman, convener and my dear friends. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am going to present my innovative technique of pre-injection paracentesis for safe intravitreal injection. In this, the sterile earbud is mounted on 26 gauge or 30 gauge disposable needle to obstruct the inner hole of the needle partially. This device is pierced into the anterior chamber till the end of the bevel is just inside the anterior chamber. Care is taken not to touch or damage any intraocular structure like iris, pupil or lens. That means part of the bevel is inside AC and other part is in corneal stroma. Now the site of intravitreal injection is marked and the intravitreal injection is given slowly and cautiously. Throughout the procedure, fixation forceps is applied to avoid inadvertent movement of eye and eventually damaging the intraocular structures. The aim is to maintain intraocular pressure across the procedure and thereafter. It is observed that during and after intravitreal injection of drug, there was no subconjunctival bleb, vitreous incarceration in the needle tract and also increase in IOP leading to compromised optic disc. With the new simple inexpensive device, all these complications are obviated. While you inject the drug inside eye through intravitreal injection, the same amount of aqueous is egressed slowly in a guarded fashion. IOP is well maintained and vitreous incarceration in the needle tract would not happen and chances of further complications are precluded. Also, optic disc perfusion is well maintained and there is hardly any need of post injection fundus examination. I have been using this technique for last 3 years and I find it very useful. Moreover, the pain is dramatically reduced and the intravitreal injection of any drug, particularly triamcinolone or 2 or 3 antibiotics in case of endophthalmitis, become absolutely safe. For last 3 years I have been using this technique and I am very satisfied with this technique and I didn't find any complication whatsoever including infection. Thank you very much for your patient hearing. Thank you. और कुछ अक्षर झिलमिल दिखते थे, तिरछे दिखते थे। अच्छा, तो अभी आंखों में क्या आपके इंजेक्शन दिया है?
आंखों में इंजेक्शन दिया है।
हाँ।
तो इंजेक्शन के मेरे को चीटी काटती इतना भी दर्द नहीं हुआ।
बिल्कुल भी दर्द नहीं हुआ।
मालूम भी नहीं पड़ा इंजेक्शन दिया कि नहीं दिया तो।
अच्छा, बहुत बढ़िया।
मैं डॉक्टर साहब से पूछा कि आप इंजेक्शन दिए क्या, तो वो इंजेक्शन देना हो गया।
हाँ हाँ, चलो ओके। तो अभी आपको ठीक लग रहा है, कोई तकलीफ नहीं है कुछ भी?
कोई तकलीफ नहीं मेरे को।
चलेगा, ओके, थैंक